Hello, I am Satish Gupta, working as a Java trainer in Naresh IT Technologies. Welcome to Java 8 video series. Now, in the last video we have seen the Lambda expression with parameters and with return type. Now, in this video we will talk about block Lambda expression. Okay, block Lambda expression. So, a Lambda expression might contain either one statement. A Lambda expression might contain one statement or it might contain more than one statement. If the Lambda expression is having more than one statement, then it is called as a block Lambda expression. Then how can you write a Lambda expression with a block? Okay. So, general syntax of Lambda expression is like this. If the Lambda expression is having single statement, right. So, if the Lambda expression is having without parameters, you write like this, it is anonymous function. So, it is followed by hyphen and greater than, which is called as lambda operator, and it followed by how many statements here? Only one statement. I cannot write more than one statement. If I want to write more than one statement, I need to open the block. So, this is a block, and within this block you can write either one statement or more than one statement. Okay, this is statement 1, statement 2, okay, statement 3. Like this you can write any number of statements within a block, right. So, there is open flower bracket and there is a close flower bracket. Now, let us see the example on block Lambda expression, right. Okay, suppose assume that there is a functional interface. So, I am trying to write functional interface, okay, interface, okay, some string operations, string operation. Now, within this I am writing one single abstract method whose return type is a string, and I write one method called string function, and this receive one string, okay, this receive one string. I am just writing string str, right. Okay, string operation provide one string function, and this string function receive input as one string and return output as one string. But the string function implementation might be various from one string to what? Another string. Okay. So, I am implementing this as one Lambda expression which contain more than one statement. Okay. For example, I want to write a string function to find the length of a string. Anyway, there is a predefined method for finding the length. Okay, assume that I want to write a string function which reverses a string, okay, then I am writing that as a Lambda expression which contain more than one statement, right. Okay, for example, I am trying to write string operation reverse, okay, string operation reverse, okay, reverse. Now, this will receive one string, I just write here str, okay, and Lambda operator, okay, and open the block here. Now, this block indicates this is a Lambda which contain more than one statement, okay. Then I declare one variable saying string str1, and str1 I am just taken some space here, okay, str1. And what I am saying is for I am trying to read the characters from last onwards, integer I equal to str dot length minus 1, okay, and I is greater than or equal to 0 and I plus plus. I just write here I plus plus, okay, I plus plus, and then after this I am writing here str1 equal to str1 plus str dot character at I, then after that I just write here return, okay, return str1, Now this is a simple lambda expression, okay, which reverses a string, a string reverse equal to reverse dot, okay, reverse dot, I call a string function to reverse it. Now I am just sending one value called Java, okay, so the value which I am sending is some Java, right, Java, okay, and after that I try to print the value of reverse. So out dot println reverse, okay, yes, okay. Now here we should write I minus minus, okay, because we are decrementing the value of index, right. After this I try to run this. Now you can see test 3, okay, right. Now here we did mistake. Now this is not str1, str dot character at I, okay. So I just try to run this. Now when you see this output, now you can see the string is what here reversed, okay. So the logic if you see for integer I is str length minus 1. So the length of this string is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Then it start reading characters from 3 onwards, okay, that is you are trying to read the characters from right to left, and then you are concatenating that with str1, and after that this lambda expression returning one value of which type, string type, okay. So this is a lambda expression which contain more than one statement. If a lambda expression is having more than one statement, that should be put inside one block, okay. So this is a lambda expression with a block of statements. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Naresh IT channel. Thank you.